Hi, my name is Dwayne from Euromotive Performance. I want to present to you guys what is the procedure here at Euromotive Performance to do an oil service on a Porsche. So here at Euromotive Performance, we use Motul. Motul is one of the top grade oils that is out there. If you guys haven't heard of it, please go to motul.com and check them out. And most of their oil have the synthetic oils, which we are doing Porsches here, and it has the letter right from Porsche that it is approved, and Porsche recommends using Motul for an oil additive. So the procedures that we do for an oil service here is that, one, we take the car for a test drive, make sure the car is handling and tracking correctly to manufacturer standards. We test, so that includes the test drive. And then before we do an oil service, we go through the whole car. It's called a health inspect here at Euromotive Performance. We go through the whole car, we check tires, suspension, engine, if there's any oil leaks, gaskets, and more so, we go into the interior, we check for all the seals, make sure everything is correctly working as to manufacturer standards. And then we top off all the fluids, make sure everything is to factory standards, and we use factory fluids and whatnot, nothing aftermarket, unless it exceeds the quality of the manufacturer's products that they use. So, and then when we do a complete oil service on the car, we use the original oil filter from Porsche or from a manufacturer that makes it for Porsche. We use the correct oil, and we take it for another test drive after the oil service. And then after the technician has cleared that everything is done correctly, we do a quality control over the car, because 2-3 set of eyes are better than just one. So here at Euromotive Performance, we pride ourselves in quality, do it right the first time, and hey, subscribe to us and like us, because we're here to help you, your family, and friends.